Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many people, but is often misunderstood: panic disorder. It's something that can come from various sources, both personal and familial. And today, we'll try to shed some light on it.
Absolutely. It's one of those things that's hard to grasp without experiencing it. Panic disorder isn't just about feeling anxious, it can feel like your whole life is overwhelmed by this intense fear, with physical symptoms too. But what really causes it?
Well, it's important to recognize that panic disorder can stem from two main causes. First, there's the kind of panic related to life's pressures. It could be a buildup of stress, like pushing yourself too hard, or facing personal struggles. That constant pressure builds up until it feels like it's all crashing down on you.
That's a very real thing. People often don't realize how stress over time can accumulate into something like panic. But then there's the second type, which is a bit more complex: panic linked to family or ancestral issues.
Yes, this one's fascinating and a bit harder to accept. Some people believe that their panic issues stem from unresolved problems in their family history, like energy or spirits that have been passed down. In this case, it's not just about current life stress, but something deeper that's rooted in the family line.
So essentially, it's like these unresolved issues in the family's history are carried through generations? That sounds intense. How do these energies or spirits affect someone today?
Exactly. Think of it like this. If someone in your family didn't resolve certain emotional or spiritual conflicts, those energies might linger and eventually affect the newer generations. It could be a sense of pressure or an unexplained feeling that something's not quite right.
That's a heavy thought, feeling the weight of past generation struggles. But is there a way for individuals to work through this? Or is it just something they have to live with?
The key here is personal growth and understanding. If you're facing panic disorder, especially if you suspect it's linked to family issues, it's important to work through both your own feelings and the unresolved energy from the past. This means doing inner work like meditation, spiritual practices, or therapy to break the cycle.
That's really empowering. So essentially, you're saying it's not just about managing panic attacks in the moment, but also healing on a deeper level to prevent future issues, both for yourself and for your descendants.
Exactly. When someone in the family is suffering, the whole family feels it. It's not just about individual healing, it's about collective healing. And once you start working through these issues, it can stop the cycle from continuing down the line.
That's a beautiful but tough thought. It's almost like you're not just healing yourself, but healing your ancestors as well. It's a big responsibility.
Definitely. But it's also liberating. When you understand that this work can clear the path for future generations, it adds a deeper sense of purpose. It's about finding balance and breaking unhealthy patterns.
And what about the practical side? How does someone start this healing process?
Well, it starts with education, understanding your symptoms, and the roots of your panic disorder. From there, a person can start seeking methods that help, whether it's through therapy, spiritual practices, or talking to others who've experienced similar struggles. It's a journey, but it's worth it.
It's amazing how much power we can have over our own healing if we take the time to understand it and break those old patterns.
Absolutely. It's about taking responsibility for your own well-being. Even though it's a long road, the results are freeing, not just for you, but for your family.
So, if you're someone dealing with panic disorder, or even if it's affecting your family, start looking at it as an opportunity to heal more than just the immediate issue. It's about breaking that cycle and making a better future.
And if you don't feel ready to take it on alone, reach out to others. Support is key in this journey, whether it's from professionals, family, or even friends.
Right? Because this isn't something that has to be faced in isolation. Healing is often a community effort.
Exactly. And that's a powerful message for anyone struggling. You're not alone in this. Keep pushing forward, and remember, the work you do today will impact generations to come.
Beautifully said. So let's wrap it up today with a thought. Healing isn't just about fixing what's wrong, it's about understanding and transforming the root causes so that future generations don't have to face the same struggles.
Well said. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Take care of yourselves. And don't forget that growth takes time, but but it's always worth it in the end.